hi friends and women and mans and kids and girls. Here I want to exercise, so me and my dad are going on a hike.
Yes.
And we're finished with 60%, only 40% left. So we're finished 1.5 or 1.25. So let's go.
Let's go. Okay. Go ahead, Sanjar. I'm typing you. I'm videotaping you.
Yeah, whoa, butterfly!
Oh, wow. Oh my God, butterfly likes you. Oh. Go. No, I got it on video.
It was gonna go in my face.
Butterfly likes your hat. Go.
That was a nice butterfly. I think
Okay.
we'll laugh at that video. That
Okay.
is some cool creature.
Okay, go.
So on this hike, I gotta be careful with my dad because there's like predators like coyote, wolf, and like snakes, spiders, ant hole. And look, I found an ant crack. There could be ants in it.
Ants and
then also like over there, there's like so much ant hills.
Yeah, we saw rabbit.
Oh yeah, we saw a rabbit on our 1% journey.
Okay, say bye now.
Bye. There.
Okay.
Okay, now there's a highway coming.
We have to make a right turn so we can find the way out. Oh my God. I think that's the way.
Yeah, like up there, and then we take a right.
Yeah.
There could be one right here, I think. But I think it will be bumpy.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is one. Should we go the long way for more adventures or the short way? That is venom. If it bites you, you're dead.
You see? Oh my God. Oh my God, that's a very dangerous snake.
Whoa. Oh, these are zebra snakes.
Oh my God, these are...
Don't go close to it. Or don't try to touch it.
Oh my God, do you want to touch it?
No, it's venomous.
Okay, let's...
If you're like close to it and trying to touch it,
Oh my God.
bite. And then like in 10 minutes,
I told you.
die.
This is dangerous.
Die.
Oh my
We
God.
went that way, but then we came back. So I'll tell you, it's kind of like a long story or short story. First, when we were like halfway done and we were gonna go up, we saw this a zebra snake or whatever it's called.
Zebra snake. Mora didn't.
Yeah, we saw the
Oh my
snake.
God.
Very crazy. And then we came this way. And also that it went to its home. Okay, it looks like we're almost finished.
Okay, say bye for now.
Bye. I feel like so. Hi guys. When we were gonna take a break here, I saw this tree with fruits, but it's dangerous because it could be poisonous or it could explode and kill us or give us an injury.
Yeah. So just let's take a break somewhere else.
Yeah, let's. Oh, I almost shit. We're almost there. Took us like an hour. Now 40 minutes.
Okay, go.
And we're still not close to that truck.
Yeah. It's almost 1 hour and 30 minutes we are walking. Look, oh my God, it's a long walk.
Oh, look at those. Are those ducks or birds?
Which one?
Those.
Those are pigeons.
Oh yeah, pigeons. Yeah, I think they're pigeons. Yeah,
Okay,
let's go.
go. You want to do a water break?
Yeah, let me get a water.
Let's go over there on a little more.
Okay.
Then we can take a break.
Birds are talking, but in language of bo.
Nice hiking.
Oh, Papa, we had a good decision. We would go down because of this.
Yeah.
Now, if we went up, we would be falling down there.
Yeah.
In a bumpy. Oh, I can see the truck. We're almost there.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
I know.
We're almost there, just 10 more %.
Yeah.
No, I think 2 more %. We're almost there. There's the tractor that we started.
Oh.
Right. You can't see it that much right there.
Okay, cut. Okay. Talk.
Hi. We're almost there.
Oh. Sanjay becomes so tired.
Yeah. I'm not tired. My legs are tired.
Yeah, I know.
Walking like almost 2 miles. If we get over there where the orange or red truck is, that will be complete 2 miles.
Yeah.
Hi friends, so I hope you liked our hiking videos and the adventures we had. So bye.
Up to next video, bye.
The next video will come on still June, but it could be a soccer game or something else. So bye. Complete 2 miles.